Punta muna ako ng Home Depot habang nakikinig ng live stream ni Chick Angel. Nautusan na naman ako ni husband bumili ng kung ano-anong tools para sa garden. Kasi inabutan ko siya, naglilinis ng aming front yard. Sasamahan niyo ako, bili tayo. Dahan-dahan dito kasi nasa school zone ako. 20 mph lang yung pwede na itatakbo ng kotse. Pagkalagpas neto 30 mph lang kasi nasa neighborhood ako. Thank you, Anbu, sa fully support mo. Malapit na tayo sa Home Depot. Ayan dyan, didiretso tapos turn to the left. Home Depot na yan. Ito na. We're at Home Depot now. Papark muna tayo. Dito ako nagpapark malayo sa mga sasakyan. Para safe yung aking car. That's Home Depot. Nakababa na ako. Papunta na akong Home Depot Bibili lang ako ng gunting, panggunting sa damo. Thank you. Ang bait nila dito. Ang ganda ng mga halaman. Ay, nakakainggan. Diyos mío, Marimar. Hola, amiga. ¿Cómo estás? I'm good, thank you. I'm visiting you. Oh, there's more flowers. Oh my God, they're driving me crazy right now. I'm so addicted. See you. Ang dami na namang halaman. Oh my goodness. Mababaliw na naman ako sa kapamili nito. Magagandang bulaklak niyan. This one, we used to have this in Antipolo. Bili muna tayong gunting. Here, look at that. Yung mga seeds, guys. I'm always coming here almost every day. Hindi kasi ako sa halaman yung kahera, nagiging close ko na. Minsan binibigyan niya ako ng discount. Oh, sorry. I'm here. Saan ba yung hinahanap ni husband? Let me see. It's not here. So, ayun. Ang daming mga tools. All garden tools. Yan. Ito. Let me look for the... I have that too. So cute. Yeah, I used mine during the snow. We made a small snowman. Okay, you too. O diba, ang babait nila. Kahit hindi kami magkakilala, nag-chit-chat kami here. Mabait sila rito. Hindi katulad ng mga kapwa natin Filipino. Kapwa natin Filipino is na bear. Oh my goodness. This is the longest I could get. So ito na lang. Sa mga magbabayad na tayo. Naghahanda na sila mag-display ng iba't ibang halaman. Kasi spring na. Nag-umpisa na kaming magtanim. Silipin ko lang ito saglit. R-type ko siya. Meron na akong ganito sa bahay dito. Kaso, namatay siya nung nag-snow. Lahat ng aking halaman sa labas namatay dahil sa snow. Those are the giant roses. Ito na ako. Hi, this is all I'm getting now.
That's it?
Yeah, for now. For now.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I'll be back some more.
All the flowers that
Oh
they
my
got?
goodness, I haven't seen the palm tree.
Oh,
Over
the palm
there. Yeah, let me go there.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Go.
You want me to pay first?
No, go.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah, because all my plants outside at backyard is all dead.
What I do every day, I always take pictures
Yeah.
and then post it on Facebook.
You're like me. Oh my God, I am.
Look at this. Isn't that
Yeah.
cute?
Mhm.
Like a sweet old candy.
Yeah. Oh, look at them beautiful cat.
Oh, which one are you looking? Oh yeah, that's Miss.
I forgot her
That's
name.
Cinnamon.
Oh, Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. You know why she's following me?
Because she's hungry.
There. There you go, Cinnamon. Cause she know I got treats.
She don't have baby.
No, she fixed.
Oh,
Fix
okay.
it. Yeah, she got fixed. No
Oh.
more babies.
Mhm.
Look at all those beautiful flowers.
Yeah, let's go to the palm tree. Or you
yeah.
want to stay
Oh,
here?
yeah, I can go that
You
far.
got. Oh, okay. I'll be right back. Yan na naman. Nagsidatingan na ang mga delivery guys. Nagsidatingan na. Ito ang addict sa halaman. Hindi na mong I'm gonna take pictures. Kasi my husband wants to get palm tree. And look. My gosh. Oh my God, can't you see this? Hello, I'm gonna get this one later. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Kakaiba siya. Look. Napaka-cute. Diba? Kakaiba. Mga pine tree, oh. Malapit lang to sa Pilipinas. Nagpadala na ako. Pupunta sa kasi ito mga bato, pebbles, buhangin. Diba guys? Ang gaganda. Oh. Tufido. Sana may saging sila dito para hindi na ako pumunta ng loose. Mga welcome plants and snake plants. Daming snake plants. Malalaki. Hindi pa nakabukas. Ito grapes. And then lemon. Is this lemon? No. Yeah, lemon. Magkano nga ba ito? Wala siyang price. Oh my goodness. That is figs. That's fig. I have this already in my house. Grapes nila, oh. Lemon. American lemon. Yeah, American lemon. Kahit mahal siya,